10 charming things women do that make men weak in the knees. Men may seem hard to impress, but the truth is, they're much easier to charm than you think. Women often hold far more power over men than they realize, and what's truly fascinating is that most women don't even know what they do that makes men swoon. It's not always about grand gestures or extraordinary actions. Sometimes, it's the smallest, most natural things that leave men absolutely mesmerized. To uncover the secrets behind what makes men weak in the knees, we asked guys to share the little things women do that make their jaws drop and their hearts race. Their answers might surprise you. Here are 10 charming things women do that make men weak in the knees, and how you can embrace them naturally. 1. Stretching to reach something. There's something undeniably captivating about the simple act of stretching to grab something from a high shelf. Picture this. You're on your tiptoes, reaching for that cereal box or glass in the cupboard. For men, this seemingly mundane movement is mesmerizing. It's graceful, unintentional, and shows a natural beauty that can't be rehearsed. Why does this work? It's a mix of vulnerability, elegance, and a small display of effort that reminds men of how effortlessly charming you can be. 2. Touching him a certain way. The light graze of your nails across his skin, whether it's on his arm, his back, or even his hand, has the power to melt him completely. This subtle touch feels intimate, soothing, and incredibly personal. It's not about grand gestures or overly sensual movements. It's that barely there touch that lingers, making him feel special and connected to you. 3. Giving a certain look. Sometimes, it's all in the eyes. A certain glance, whether intentional or not, can speak volumes and leave men feeling like the center of your world. It could be the way your eyes light up when you see him, a playful smirk paired with a quick look, or even that dreamy gaze during a conversation. This look is hard to describe, but when a woman does it, men feel invincible. It's a mix of curiosity, affection, and flirtation that drives them wild. 4. Cooking his favorite dish. Cooking might seem like an old cliché, but it's less about the act itself and more about the thought behind it. When a woman takes the time to make a man's favorite meal, it shows effort, care, and an interest in his happiness. It's not about being a master chef. It's the thoughtfulness that counts. This gesture speaks directly to a man's heart and stomach, making him feel appreciated and cherished. 5. Putting him in his place. Believe it or not, many men love it when a woman confidently puts her foot down. Whether it's calling him out for acting foolish or setting boundaries, this display of strength is incredibly attractive. Why? It shows that you're not afraid to stand up for yourself and that you demand respect. Men admire women who know their worth and aren't afraid to assert it. 6. Giving him bedroom eyes. A playful, seductive look, especially when paired with a teasing bite of the lip or a slow blink, can leave a man absolutely breathless. This look conveys confidence, attraction, and mystery all at once. It's not about trying too hard. It's about letting your eyes do the talking and showing him that he has your undivided attention. 7. Showing interest in him. One of the most powerful things a woman can do is simply show genuine interest. Asking questions about his life, remembering small details about what he says, and truly engaging in conversation can make a man feel valued and important. Men love to feel like they matter, and your interest in them reinforces that they're seen and appreciated. 8. Asking for help. You might not realize it, but asking a man for help can make him feel like a hero. Whether it's lifting something heavy, fixing a leaky faucet, or helping you with a tech problem, giving him the chance to come to your rescue makes him feel needed. Men thrive on the opportunity to be useful and valued. Asking for help shows that you trust him and that you see him as capable and reliable. 9. Dancing. Dancing has been a universal form of attraction for centuries, and it's easy to see why. The way a woman moves on the dance floor, or even in a casual setting like the kitchen, can leave a man completely mesmerized. It's not about being a professional dancer. It's about confidence, rhythm, and the joy you exude while moving. Whether it's a fun, carefree twirl or a more sensual sway, dancing has the power to captivate men like nothing else. 10. Making the first move. When a woman takes the initiative, whether it's grabbing his hand, leaning in for a kiss, or using direct language, it's an absolute game changer. Men love confidence, and making the first move shows that you know what you want and aren't afraid to go after it. In an established relationship, this can mean initiating a date night or expressing your desires directly. In the early stages of dating, it's a bold move that leaves a lasting impression. Why these gestures work? At their core, these charming actions share common themes: authenticity, confidence, and a willingness to connect. None of these require over-the-top effort or pretending to be someone you're not. Instead, they're rooted in being yourself and letting your natural charm shine. By embracing these behaviors, you'll not only leave men weak in the knees, but also build deeper, more meaningful connections. So go ahead, stretch for that cabinet, give him that special look, or dance like nobody's watching. You might be surprised at just how much of an impact these small actions can have. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.